It's a beautiful day in Cleveland. As I said, it's April 1st. I'm heading out to get a ride to the hotel, and then tomorrow some tours of Cleveland Clinic and the convention. I'll talk to you then. Bye now. Hi, this is Nancy again. I am out on the 110-acre campus of Cleveland Clinic. I just had a wonderful tour of the facility with their chief nursing officer. This is part of the excitement of Cleveland. The medical community, the research performed by that community that makes a difference for the patients that we serve, whether we're in Chattanooga, Tennessee, or San Francisco, California. We're going to talk more about the things that are happening at Cleveland Clinic, at University Hospital, as we come to convention. I hope you will join me. Thank you. It's Nancy again. Now on my day in Cleveland, I am in City Hall. We just met with the mayor, who gave us a proclamation making us a welcome visitor to the city of Cleveland. I have challenged the mayor to make sure there's room for my 2,000 friends, so I'm hoping that 2,000 of my colleagues, 2,000 fellow case managers will join me for a week in Cleveland of education, but more than that, camaraderie, and even a little fun at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, the Horseshoe Casino, the restaurants on 4th Street that they tell me include some famous chefs' restaurants, and an opportunity to go to a baseball game. So lots of things planned. All you have to do is join me. Bye. It's Nancy again. Here we are preparing to go into the Global Center for Health Information. This will be available, we believe, to our attendees. This is the only, for lack of a better term, medical market in the United States, and I think in the world. What we have here is a building with the latest technology, innovations in healthcare. We hope that you will join us in Cleveland so that you can be part of this exciting experience. Hi, this is Nancy Skinner. I'm at the Sidemen Cancer Center, University Hospital in Cleveland, Ohio. We are in a patient oncology room. I wanted to share this with you. My tour today is with Dr. Anderson, who is the CEO, the CMO of there. He's got it on his lab coat of the facility. They are very supportive of case managers, and we look absolutely forward to coming to Cleveland in June and sharing some of the amazing things that are going on in healthcare delivery in Cleveland.